Something savory is coming. The silver has been polished. The green beans have been casseroled. The turkey has been stuffed. The cranberry jelly is out of the can. The family is all here. The table is set, and the gravy is gone already?
Where's the gravy?
Where's the gravy? Good gravy! How'd we run out?
It's time to go over the river and through the woods. To grandmother's house we go with Good Gravy, America's graviest coaster. Thanksgiving dinner has flown by, but never quite like this. Your journey is nearly 1,500 feet long. You'll soar over 70 feet high, forwards and backwards on Good Gravy. Travel at speeds up to 37 miles per hour, all in the world's largest gravy boat.
Gee willikers, that's some good gravy.
Coming May 2024 to a Thanksgiving-themed section of a theme park, possibly near you.
Gee willikers, that's some good gravy.